We had to come inside because the dog wasn't being too loud, but Brigham was. I'm thinking this is not a dog that's generally around children. He's getting a lot of extra love. Brigham's being very gentle. But he is also... Come here, Bubby. He's also very loving. Brigham keeps trying to help the dog blow bubbles. So he holds the bubble wand in front of the dog's face and shows him how to blow. Are you sharing? Oh, would he maybe like that? Yeah. Oh, yeah, gentle. I like that gentle. Yeah. That's a stroller. Are you having a fun time with the dog? Do you like this doggy? I know. You are right. Special. It is pretty special. Are you having a fun time? Yeah, with the wolf. Oh. Nope. That will knock right over. Do you like this dog? Yeah, woof. Oh, hello. Here. Oh, does that look like his nipple? That is not his nipple. Yeah, that is his penis. Let's leave it alone. Oh. Oh, that is so soft. Yeah, that's a woof. Do you love it? Poor dog. But Brigham's being very gentle boy. Oh, not his teeth. Not his mouth, but you can rub his tummy. That's nice. Okay, can you go dip your bubbles? Oh, that's nice to share. He did a little too. Oh, are you showing him how to blow? You sharing with the dog? He doesn't know how to blow bubbles. Maybe you can go dip the bubbles and you can show him. Will you go dip them? Oh, this is my favorite thing. Go dip it. Oh, did you? It's okay. He's still here.